This challenge is called Logon. It's an easy level challenge in the web exploitation category from the picoCTF 2019 event. The description says, the factory is hiding things from all of its users. Can you log in as Joe and find what they've been looking for? And then they'll have a link that goes to a website. All right, so what we need to do is we need to right-click on the link and put it in a new tab. So after that, we can take a look at the website. It says factory login, and they've got a little login panel over here. So we're going to supply the username Joe, because that's what they asked us to do. And then we're going to, we don't know the password, so we're just going to put in test, and we're going to click on sign in. So it says, I'm sorry, Joe's password is super secure. You're not getting in that way. Okay, so we were not able to log in as Joe, but even though the challenge says log in as Joe, what we can do is we can just log in as any old person. So this login page will take anything. So maybe we're HackerFrogs and our password is HackerFrogs, and we just click on sign in. So we're signed in now because the login page was only testing to see whether or not Joe had the right password, but it actually doesn't care about any other user. So we can log in as any other user, and it says success, you logged in. Not sure you'll be able to see the flag though. Okay, so how do we see the flag? Well, we're logged in now, so we can go over to the developer tools. So in our three-dot menu, we can go down to more tools, developer tools, and in the application tab, we can see cookies. So the cookies down here for this website, we have a couple of juicy ones. So we've got admin equal to false, and this is a predictable value. We can set admin to true. And then here we can actually set our username to Joe. So we can actually say that we logged in as Joe by using this cookie. Okay, so the important thing is that we set the admin cookie to true. All right, so after we do that, we can just reload the page, and then we get the flag. The flag is picoCTF, the conspiracy lives. Okay, so copy the flag, and then on the challenge page, paste in the flag, and click on Submit Flag. Okay, and then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.